So in this video I wanted to tackle gradients a bit in Inkscape and how to really kind of work with that. So let's see what that looks like. Whoops. Okay. So we can kind of see what's going on here. This texture could possibly be repeating, and if so, we're going to have to make sure that it's seamless. So I just duplicated it. There we go. So that's how it might look if it's seamless. So we need to also consider like how our gradient's gonna look. Is it gonna be seamless? So for this texture, all we need is really two parts to it, I guess. No, maybe just one part. I think we can do the whole thing with a linear gradient. So you want to start by drawing a box over it. I'm going to make the box that color because that's what I want my starting point to be. And then make it a linear gradient. Okay. So I suppose I could just flip this. That would work. Okay. I'm going to drag and kind of center these guides on the brightest part of the color, because those are where the stops are going to be that have those colors. There we go. So the way to add stops to a linear gradient like this, oh, by the way, I should show a little bit of how it works. So this is your gradient here. You have your starting point here, and then your transition point. I'm probably calling these terrible names, but I never really cared enough to look it up. But anyways, that's like your starting node, and that's like your drag handle. And you use this function over here to edit the gradient and add stops to it like I just did there. And whoops. And just double click on it and it'll add a stop there. And as you can see, they'll snap to the guides. And then just select one, go over here, and there. So you can select the color like that. Now, since we don't want this to fade out to this purple color, what we're going to do is we're going to add a stop here. And let me put a guide there. That's not really what I wanted. I'm trying to think. Actually, that's what I was going for. Okay. There we go. So that works out nicely for that. And then over here, we can do that. And then, boom. So pretty much what we've done is we've added stops along here, and then yeah, basically all this is just a linear gradient with stops. And you just want to have your primary colors located in the most logical points of the texture you're working with, and then all the gradients in between will just automatically kind of come out, because what's happening is you have this color here mixing with this color here. So this very bright color is merging into this dark color. Same could be said in reverse too. And these are all the transitioning colors you get out of that. So that's what the gradient's doing. It's basically achieving the same thing, but in a higher resolution. And that's pretty much all you need to know about linear gradients. You can use them for a lot of things, and they're really helpful for stuff like this.